Everybody came out today in favor of us. No bad people, no see us. I better go and remove your slipper.
Ah! Baby. See you later, baby.
You know they say na holy land is there?
And every time they come out slippers.
If I wear them come, make I tell you the tortoise now.
No, slippers like that. Sir.
What be that?
Look at it.
Sit down first, my son. Hey, stop crying. What's your problem? They know they cry here. Talk to me, what's your problem?
Sir. I'm sorry, Papa.
Anyone where you call, as I said.
But I don't suffer.
You don't suffer.
Not push you, Baro. Bago my own. You go boy. When I can walk.
I will solve your problem. I will solve it.
The reason why I come here now is to say, I to tell you whether I will control this life.
Okay.
Now to end that. No.
Ah, no, you're not going to end that, man.
I will not end it.
You not end it.
So the reason why I come, say, may you check for me now. If my destiny helper
You don't want?
still there alive, because I know as I look myself. If my destiny was still there alive, may just stay me. And if you know that life again, may just stay me. So that to end or to continue.
You will not end it. Hey! My son.
Huh? Baba?
Your destiny helper don't die.
Jesus.
Are you mad? No run mad. No run mad. Before people call me bad name here. No run mad. Okay, if your destiny helper die, you won't run mad. I beg my advice, my give you advice now. And I like you to accept it. As your destiny helper don't die, you know say you and another person destiny helper. Go hustle. So if the person locate you, make you help am. No kill yourself, oh.
Baba,
You be mumu.
as they told the sniper,
The sign somehow, but by the grace, you go make am. So that you go make your destiny helper plan. You see they do 100 days fasting to locate you, make you hustle harder.
Okay.
You no go die.
you look for person no get destiny.
This is the need for you.
And that destiny get.
Na that destiny for house. Everybody, I don't talk am. I know this kind of thing. I know this kind. I know say I promise you, fam. I go still give you. I bet I know this kind of stuff. Now rich people I need. I know this kind of people. Hey.